Hi, I'm Lindsay, and I'm going to Peru. I'll be traveling with really good friends of mine, Cody Gillum, Harriet Judd, and Coleman Tanton. We recently graduated from a course called CADA, which stands for Carrizo Empowerment Training Academy. This academy trained us to train others how to preach the gospel, and now they're sending us to fulfill the Great Commission in Trujillo, Peru. We'll be partnering up with a church there named Mas Vida. While we're there, we'll be leading discipleship groups, leading outreaches, training them how to reach their own worlds, and ministering to all those we encounter. This is my first international missions trip. I've already done a lot of work here in Augusta, but I'm so excited to finally be going to another country to fulfill my purpose and the commission that Jesus has given to us. So we're asking for your support, prayers, encouragement, and if you feel led, financial support. And if you decide to support us financially, send it to Good News Church and designate Peru Missions Trip. Thank you for sending us to fulfill the Great Commission.